What is up? What is up? What is up? We are here. We are here. Age of AI. Spicy. It's going exactly where I said it would. Check your chat history. Age of AI. I'm pretty sure you also called for lower prices as well. Don't you think I forgot? Don't you dare. How you doing today? How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. It is a saucy day for the crypto space. So, as we were mentioning last night, yeah, we could see this thing rally. The target, based off looking at this, is a bull flag. We could be seeing prices coming up to $78,033, which would mark a brand new all-time high. Currently, our all-time high is sitting at somewhere in the neighborhood of 73,900. Maybe it's 73,761. I don't know. It's above 73K. We're currently trading at 71,357. Big deal happening, big deal. And another funny thing that I'm noticing, especially because I decided to tune into some other content creators, a lot of them are looking at lower time frames. Do not get distracted by the lower time frames. Pay attention to the daily. Do not get distracted. Pay attention to the daily. If you are not overbought on the daily, do not expect a pullback. Just saying. If you're not overbought on the daily, don't expect that pullback. So keep that in mind as we start looking into all of these different tokens. There's a reason why I look at the weekly and the daily, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. So weekly time frame, we're sitting in the bullish control zone. We could keep this rally going for months. Simply because by the time we end the week, maybe we get up a little bit closer to our overbought territory, but this rally is just getting started. So that makes you think we could see the entirety of this move, which is out of a bull flag. Your measured move is looking like 112,000 could be the target. So that's what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin right now. Looking pretty good. Coming down to your 4-hour time frame, this is where people will talk about, oh, we're so overbought, we have to pull back. We could trade sideways. Sideways is a thing, and we just now entered being overbought on the 4-hour. Stochastic, I do not desire the stochastic to be this high, but that did bait in a lot of shorts. So I think what's happening here, it's a lot of short baiting. So this rally could be very nice for this week, but sadly, I would think sometime during this week, sometime toward the end of the month, on Thursday, on Halloween, we could very well see a little bit of a pullback. It's possible. It's possible. But, we're going to have to wait and see. Anyways, check out the 1 hour. How long could this rally sustain? This rally could sustain for a while, simply because we just now got overbought. We have no bearish divergence. We have nothing. All we see is an acceleration to the upside. You just open a 25x long on Sol at 181. We'll see if I have to close it. Rich, I'm positive we're going to find better options for you to take longs on than that right at this very moment. Anyways, we're going to check out the chart, but we're still looking at Bitcoin. I wish you the best of luck on that trade. A 25x long after it's already been rallying, that's tough, Rich. I just feel like there's better options. Yo, what's up, Runner? How you doing? How you doing? I do hope your trade goes well, Rich. You're aiming for $225, so hopefully it goes straight up. Yeah, it's not for much. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. All right, so checking out the liquidation map for Bitcoin. This should look good. Yeah, we liquidated some longs. What the? Get back over here. Okay, so some shorts. We liquidated some shorts. So you can see right here, we had a bunch of shorts lined up. Actually, back here, bunch of shorts lined up. We tore through those like a bad habit. We are getting into a range of very little price action, and then 74,000. There happens to be $8 million worth of shorts just chilling up there. Go figure. But this pocket of liquidity right here, 72,124, it's looking like price might gravitate toward that. But keep in mind, we have all this liquidity below us. So just as amazing as it is that we're going up, Market could do this and steal all of this and then V-shape recover up. So just be careful on your trades tonight. Be careful. Don't get too over levered. Don't get crazy. It's gonna be all right. I want 63 then a V-shape. Of course you do. Of course. What would 63 would be like? It would wipe out literally every single long. That would be wild. Let's go ahead and check out the weekly. Weekly on the heat map, we could see lots of liquidity below you, very little liquidity above us. So this rally could be running out of steam sometime soon, unless there's something going on like, I don't know, the Chinese banks doing a little fugazi with all their money. Could be a thing. Could be a thing. When I looked into that today, what the Chinese banks are doing with the government, I'm just like, could you say your dollar or your whatever their currency is, yuan, does not matter any louder? I mean, holy crap. So you're going to lower your interest rates. Then you're going to have the banks buy up a bunch of your own debt. Then you're going to basically buy back those loans at a higher interest rate so the banks could have more liquidity. And it sounds ridiculous. It should not work, but they're out there doing it. So they're trying to create liquidity for the banks while giving the government money. I don't understand how they're pulling that off, but that's what they're trying to do. So instantly we're like, okay, cool. China broken. Let's go crypto. It comes down to steal all those people. Will just place them again. No, you're right. They would place them again, but remember the shorts just got absolutely wrecked. Very little liquidity up here, lots of liquidity down here. So the possibility is there. You always, if you're ready for a stage 5 hurricane and then you just get a tropical rain, at least you were prepared. It's one of those situations. That's why we have stop losses. Anyways, that's the heat map. Bitcoin looking like it's trying to slow down a little bit. It's probably something ridiculous like the 5-minute or the 3-minute. It's like, oh, we gotta slow down, bro. And looking at 3-minute, no, your 3 minutes basically saying we're gonna keep going. That's crazy. Same with your 5-minute, already reset. The rally can continue. Let's go, baby. Anyways, weekly BTC RSI is a lot of room to run. Exactly. So that's why I say a lot of people looking at lower time frames, they should take the time to look at the higher time frames just to realize we could keep going, baby. We could keep going. So that is Bitcoin looking really strong, looking really good. And it's on top of, there is a crisis going on over in China. So I think that's basically what it is. Uncertainty in the Chinese banks while they're trying to stimulate the economy. It could create some explosive movements. So that's what I'm kind of thinking. Anyways, since we're close to it, let's check out BNB token. So BNB token starting to get its breakout. We love to see that. Let me clean up this chart. The bearish side looks like it's out of play. So we're going to be looking for BNB token to hit all-time highs. I'm aiming for $841, but if I'm being honest, sky's the limit here. Sky's the limit. Your daily stochastic is still low. You're still in neutral territory. This thing could rip. Going out to your 4-hour. Your 4-hour is not overbought yet, so this rally literally just started. It could stay overbought for days on end on the 4-hour. Keep that in mind. You are getting overbought on your 1-hour, which is fine. Might trade sideways to reset. So it's not too bad, not too terrible. It's kind of nice. Hey, Casper, finally catching some bids. Thank goodness. We're gonna mix Sui into the look, because I'm still wanting to short Sui. I made some money last night shorting Sui. I did get out of the trade because we broke a trend line. That's all I had to do. Broke a trend line, get the hell out. I don't know where it's going to go. I got the hell out. I was in a TRB short earlier today. I made some money. I got the hell out because, once again, broke a trend line, get the hell out. I'm currently in a long on TRB. We're going to look at that as well. But now, since we're really close to it, we're going to check out Dogecoin, then Ethereum, and then Solana. So looking at Dogecoin, it is well on its way. We ended up getting our back test, beautiful back test, and we are almost to our, not measured, but we're almost to our overhead resistance at 18 cents. Now, we're Dogecoin, our little homie, if it breaks 18 cents, we could be seeing it run up to 34 cents. Dogecoin looking extremely strong. Weekly, not overbought. On your daily, you are in the overbought territory. You have the possibility of making some hidden bearish divergence, but remember, just because you have hidden bearish divergence once doesn't mean you can't get it 3 times. Just throwing it out there, it's a possibility. Anyways, looking very good for Dogecoin. For you degenerates out there, let's go to these low time frames for you. Your 1 hour, it looks like it's trying to trade sideways, trying to put in a little bit of that hidden bearish divergence. It's working hard at it. Looking at your 15 minute distinctively putting in some very mild hidden bearish divergence. It's not that bad. Ethereum 2665 next, right? Let's find out, RJ. Let's find out. Eric, hold that bitch. $1. Yep, Doge to $1. Honestly, probably will do it. Alright, so Dogecoin on your 15 minute does look like it is ready for more upside, so I would expect this to hit that 18 cent mark in the relative near future. Now, let's move on to Ethereum. Checking out Ethereum, oh my goodness gracious, we finally broke above a resistance. As I mentioned on Saturday or Sunday, I was like, dang, Ethereum actually looking pretty good. I'm surprised. But we almost hit our level of support, our supply line, and now we're just finally starting to reap the rewards. Looking at your weekly time frame, you are just now starting to go up. And then looking at your relative strength, you're in neutral territory. You are not putting in any bullishness on your MACD yet. Ethereum, literally out of the large caps, it looks like it has the largest runway to go up. It's just a matter of if people are actually going to buy it. Let's check your 4 hour. 4 hour not overbought yet, and you can see the weakness right here. So you have BNB sitting in overbought territory, Dogecoin sitting in overbought territory, Bitcoin sitting in overbought territory. Yet Ethereum still struggling to catch the same amount of fire. Kind of a shame. But if we do get a breakout of 2,713, then we could see price getting all the way up to 3,351. Ethereum does look strong here. It does have a lot of room to run. You just need people to start putting in the bids. That's the only downside. It's, do I want these fees? Nobody wants the fees. No one at all. No one likes fees. But let's go ahead and move on to Solana. I was long since 2,480. Nice. All right, checking out Solana. Solana looks like the strongest one. Oh my gosh. Already put in your hidden bearish divergence starting back here, but it does look like we are creeping our way up on the 4 hour. Your daily, not overbought. Already took a nice little pullback. Your stochastics pointed straight up. This actually has the possibility of getting this 225 sometime this week. I still have that price target out there, 225, and if we can get above that, then we looking good. Sui break today. What? Resundens with Moon. Sorry, RJ, I can't read what you wrote, and I feel like I just lost some brain cells while trying to read it. I am sorry, but I think there's a typo in there, or I just only read at a 4th grade level. I don't know. But, yeah, I couldn't read that. Resistance. Oh. Oh, got you. Damn. Yeah. All right, so Solana, I do see it looking really good on the daily. Let's check the weekly real fast. Weekly, oh my god, nothing but strength. You're dying. He's dying. Oh, I'm sorry. I just can't read. Sorry. I look at charts. I don't read books. My bad. Actually, I read a couple books about charts. But I had to switch to audiobooks, so there's that. Anyways, Solana on the 1 hour, it does look like you're trying to tap out. You have massive hidden bearish divergence happening. However, with the market being so very hot, we could continue. Oh, look at that. You're 15-minute trying to reset, trying to reload, and keep this party running. So, yeah, Solana looking really strong. Who's that? Rich got in at 181. So currently you are underwater on your 25x levered trade. Hopefully you have a stop loss sitting below 175.69. Otherwise, this could get very dangerous for you tonight. Could get very dangerous for you. So I do wish you the best of luck on that trade. But yeah, 225 is the target. 225 is the target. Now, we're going to take a look at SUI, because I'm still bearish on SUI. I don't really care that it's up 7%. Don't give a damn. We're going to see how the day ends out, but let's check it out on the daily. So you can notice on the daily for SUI, you back tested your 50 simple not only once but twice. This candle here, this, when we came all the way down, almost hit my target. I got out. I got the F out, and as we go into lower time frames, you'll see exactly when that happened. And I was like, nope, I know how this happens. I don't like that. But we are finding resistance at 191.55 right now. After today, I do believe our stochastic's going to be pretty high, which would be nice. We are in neutral territory. So the idea of this still falling, very possible. Noted. If Bitcoin decides to go buck wild, SUI could keep going up too. But we do have several levels of resistance here. The level we're fighting with now, the level overhead, the former supply line, which also will act as a resistance, and this 205.74 level, which will then also act as resistance. So SUI actually has a massive amount of resistance overhead that it needs to fight against, but it did break its first level of resistance. So what I was doing when I was trading SUI earlier today, I of course noticed we were in oversold territory. I get it. I noticed we were falling again, but we did get our hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. That's where I started getting a little weary. So then let's go ahead and drop down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, this is where I actually decided, gotta get out of here, because we had this absolutely gorgeous downtrend right here. I think I had it marked out like this. And then once we hit this level, came down here, and then we started pushing up. Soon as we hit this line, I was like, nope, I'm getting the hell out of this trade. We did not hit my target. I don't want to sit in this and get stopped out, which it would have stopped me out because my stop loss was sitting right around here at 185, somewhere in this area, right above this high right here. But I did get to enjoy the gains from here to here. Not too shabby. I was on a 20x short, so there were still gains, but I didn't get them all. I did not get them all, but I'm glad I got out when I did. I'm very glad I did. But we are finding overhead resistance. We're in overbought territory on your 1 hour. Checking out your 15 minute. 15 minutes resetting already, so this thing could continue to the upside. If this does go up, you could see resistance either at 5%, 6%, or another 8.6% upside. I personally would not be buying this. Not at all. Could it go higher than its previous highs? Sure. Yeah, definitely could. Just like, the tooth fairy can give you $100 for a single tooth. It could happen. Am I going to trust it? No, not at all. But it's possible. So I'm not going to deny what's possible, but I'm also not going to trade it. So I will wait till tomorrow is over. We're going to see what SUI does, and then we'll go from there. What in the world? All right. Smart. Yeah. Hard to short this volume. It's very hard to short this volume. Residence? Frank, what is up? How you doing? You like HNT? We'll check that out. Oh yeah, I gotta show you. So currently in TRB, we're up 66%. We are in a 30x long for TRB. Did I think TRB could go up? No, I did not. I did not believe it. But I got the trade. So I'm going to show you real quick why I got into this trade. We had this level of resistance that was holding us back. We broke out and we back tested it. That is all it took. We broke out, back tested it. I was like 30x long. I don't know what's happening. It's going to make no sense to me, but it's probably going up. My profit taking level is not 65.06. When these markets get hot and they get crazy, I look for way higher moves than I'm expecting. So 80.92 is my take profit level. If we go out to your daily on TRB, it actually makes sense. If you look at your 4 hour or any low time frame, it makes no sense at all. None. But you look at your daily, we just crossed to the upside. We have nothing but room on the daily to run for TRB. You are sitting in bearish control zone on the daily. So this thing could literally run up like crazy. When we look at the sell pressure, we had all this sell pressure. We then had more sell pressure, but we saw the bullish convergence. We saw the sellers easing off. So then also, we broke a trend line. Therefore, I'm thinking, oh, cool. Most likely level we're gonna hit is this right here, 74.19. I'll be paying attention to it because I stare at these charts literally all day. So I'll be in the know. But 80.92, I'm thinking we're gonna get a little bit of a breakout, touch some resistance, and then maybe pull back and get a back test. So I do have this 30x trade open right now, and yeah. All right, so HNT Turbo TA. We will check out Turbo. How's Sol doing? Sol mooning. Nail. What's Nail? I don't know what Nail is. What's going on, man? The market is alive tonight. The market's very alive. So yeah, we got news out of China. China's trying to stimulate their banking system, which, well, you're not supposed to have to do that. Hell yeah, I like the TRB. Nail Max. Their name. Oh, gotcha. Oh. There's no L in it. It's like Namax. It's fine. Yeah, there's no L in there. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out HNT. By the way, guys, huge announcement tonight. We have a brand new affiliated exchange. And that is BuyDeFi. This bad boy right here. We're officially affiliated with BuyDeFi. I announced it in the Discord earlier today. So we have 2 affiliated exchanges. We got BuyDeFi and Weeks. So if you guys need a no KYC, no VPN, America-friendly exchange with tons of trading pairs, pick one. Pick one. You got some options. So yeah, I'll be dropping that link right now. So you guys can, I didn't make a command on this yet, so there's that. But we are with them. So this one is for the BuyDeFi. If you guys want to make an account, feel free, get in there, use the link right there. Helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, let's make this money. Anyways, let's keep it moving. Going into HNT. And then after HNT, I believe it's Turbo. And then, do we have to look at Solana again, or can I just tell you 225 still in play? I think I can just say that. Anyways. HNT, then Turbo. So HNT, the most trading volume is on KuCoin. Alright, HNT on the daily, sitting in neutral territory. You have room to run on Stochastic. You're bouncing off your 100 simple. Very nice, very nice. You do have some overhead resistance to focus in on, though. You got a little bit of overhead resistance here, so we're going to see how it interacts with that in the coming days. But it does look very interesting. You got to bounce off this little level that was formerly resistance. Now it's acting as support. This is nice to see. Let's go down to your 4 hour. Looking at your 4 hour, yeah, this thing could start ripping any time. I think you just broke out. Maybe you did. You're waiting for 25 minutes to get this confirmed breakout. Now, the best thing about confirmed breakout, Caspa doing nothing. Yeah, normally, you know? And it's funny, because someone wanted to trade in their Solana for Caspa. We're going to check out Caspa also, don't worry. But measured move out of this, looking at it like a bull flag, we could see price come up to 842. And considering we are now in bullish times, I think that's going to play out. Get a stop loss right below this low at 650. You should be fine. Oh, bullish times are absolutely nuts. It makes trading way too easy. It's just not fair, actually. It's really not fair. Even on fib retracement, you could be seeing price come up to 792.4. So HNT looking extremely good. Let's go down to your 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, you're not overbought. This thing could continue going. Maybe you want to wait for a little back test, maybe, but let me check the 1 hour. It looks like on the 1 hour you tried to test it twice before going. So I don't even know if it's going to actually turn around. We'll see. It should. I mean, the back test should happen, but as long as you stay above this $6.50, you should be okay. Going to your 15-minute time frame, 15-minute wants to pull back. So if you are looking to go on higher leverage, wait for the back test. It should come. I'm saying should. I'm not saying it will. Should. Bullish times makes it to where things don't test things, which gets frustrating. So it turns into buy the breakout, and you don't have to worry nearly as much about the back test. During really bullish times, you'll start hearing me say that. It's like buy the breakout, buy the breakout, buy the breakout. During really bearish times, wait for the back test. Wait for the back test. Wait for the back test. So I don't know if we're in that buy the breakout time just yet, but we'll see. Either way, HNT looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and check out Turbo, then we'll check out Caspa. Turbo looking pretty darn neat. Let's go out to your daily here. Alrighty. So on the I haven't even looked at this chart in a while. So you guys can see I looked at this before. Yeah, retest, hard to get those in these times. It's very hard to get the retest. It's frustrating, but you know, it's kind of nice too. Because you go through so much time where you have to wait, you have false breakouts, oh god. Now it's just like, oh, finally, they're done playing their games for a second. Thank you. Alright, so Turbo, based off this bull flag, you can see you got your breakout, you got your back test, and you took off. That's great. Looks like on the daily you just reloaded and you're ready to go again. Holy moly. You do have a confirmed breakout, I believe. Yep, confirmed breakout. That's gorgeous. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Let's see where this thing could be headed. On the 4 hour, you can see the very distinct downtrending level. You tried. Now you are broken out. You have tons of room to run on the 4. I mean, tons of room to run on the 4 hour. We could be seeing Turbo literally run up to, and this is not a joke, 16452, setting new all-time highs. Very, very possible for Turbo. Turbo's looking fantastic. I love bull flags. I love falling wedges. This just ticked off both boxes. This looks great. Love it. Checking out your 1 hour. Let's see if we're going to run into some turbulence. 1 hour, it's basically showing it's been running. It might want to cool off. I'm not sure. Could want to cool off. But I think considering what you just broke above, a nice little area of support you could find somewhere around right here to right here. Somewhere in this area could be a very good level of support. If it does come down for you, right around there might be a good option. But we're going to have to wait and see. Because, once again, it's a meme coin. This thing could just run. What is Turbo? Turbo is an AI meme coin that when it decides to pop off, it pops off real good. I mean, like, real good. So, I always say it's definitely worth trading. I love Turbo. I really do love Turbo. Oh, so if you look at this trading range back here, all you did was bounce around in here before you broke out. What would be fantastic is if we get a back test on the top and then we take off. That would be great. So let's all keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully we get that back test, because if we do, we could be seeing a rally of, let's see, 76% that we all could take a part of. That would do the portfolio good. It'd be like as a baby drinking some milk. Just, oh, that would be great. Back test ain't coming. Well, probably not. But I'm just saying it could. Just saying it could. You never know. You're overbought on the 15-minute. It could. I have hope. All right? I have hope. The hopium is strong. All right, let's check out Kaspa. Kaspa. Finding some resistance here, aren't you? Can we check GRT? Yes, we can. I was just making sure I stayed in order. I'm trying not to spend too much time on the request, so I feel like I'm doing a better job today. I do. I feel like I'm doing a better job. All right, Kaspa on the daily. It was short of getting any type. Thanks a lot. Always appreciate it. No problem at all. I'm glad you're tuning in. Thank you. Also, if you guys can do me a huge favor, hit the like button. It helps out the stream a lot. And if you're new here, subscribe. We got to 405 subscribers. We're well on the road to getting that 1K subscribers, and I'm looking forward to it. Also, join the Discord, y'all. Join the Discord. You got any requests throughout the day and I'm not live, feel free. Drop the request. I'll look at it. I'll look at it. I know life look at charts, okay? Oh, also, coming sometime this week, I will open up the copy trading for weeks. So if you guys want a chance to just get some copy trading going and support the channel, you can. So yeah, that'll be sometime this week. I'm getting that done. I'll let you all know. Anyways, so Kaspa, you have nothing but upside. And a tip jar. You're right. I really do need to put a tip jar in there. I really do need to put a tip jar. I have problems. I have no idea why I like to shorted BTC and Sol. No, we need to wait again. No, Bloodsville. The reason for that is because we've had such weird price action lately. And the 4-hour time frame, it was really baiting in shorts. So if I wasn't staring at charts as often as I was, I would have just opened up a short and got stopped out. Yeah. But I stare at the charts so dang often that I'm like, what's going on here? This doesn't look right. So yeah. Anyways, Kaspa, surprisingly, I'm going to say it, looks like it's poised for upside. You should be able to break this downtrend sometime within the next day. So then you're going to be looking to find some resistance either off your former supply line or off this 128072. If you can break both of those, I would expect you to go right back up to 143545. I would expect that. So Kaspa, it's worth looking at, worth keeping on the radar. I do not think it's a good idea to sell off your Solana for Kaspa right now. Just like I said yesterday. I'm going to keep saying that. You have a lot of resistance overhead. Solana has like none. Don't make bad decisions. Don't do that. Just wait. Anyways, going down to lower time frame, going to your 4-hour. 4-hour has only room to the upside. Your stochastic got a little bit of room here to go up. Relative strength sitting in neutral territory. Actually, bearish control zone. So there's that. Looking at your 1-hour. 1-hour, it is leaving a lot left to be desired, but it does look like you're trying to take back the 50 simple moving average. This is nice. Adam, HODL. Yes, HODL is a good idea. Accumulate would be even better. Accumulating this right now, great idea. But that's besides the point. Coming down to the 15-minute. 15-minute does say that you are about to see more upside simply because you did reset the stochastic and you're sitting in neutral territory. So Kaspa, we could wake up in the morning and see it up anywhere between 3, 6, or even 9.5% upside. If it goes past that, hey, I didn't see it coming and it broke out. So even better. but that's what I would be suspecting. And based off of a fib retracement idea, we could be seeing something like this, getting you up to 12,906,036. Which, if we pull this down there, we could be seeing a 7.43% rise. I'm in that camp. I think that could happen. Someone is selling large amounts of CAS every time it gets some momentum. Yeah, there is price suppression all over this market. It's absolutely crazy. But it's okay. They'll run out of tokens, and you can hold the bag. It's fine. All right, checking out GRT. Actually, GRT, it looks hot. It looks hot, especially where it's at. It looks hot. I almost made a video about this, and then I didn't, because I made a video on Casper and Sui. But I almost made a video on GRT. We just broke our downtrend here. This is fantastic. A confirmed breakout after testing a supply line while being outside of this giant falling wedge pattern. GRT looking sauced up, baby. Your target for GRT is all the way up here at 40 cents. If we get up there, you're more than likely going to test 51 or 54 cents. This thing looks crazy. So GRT, definitely worth a look. Definitely worth a look. I've shown my chart on GRT bag hold. I don't think I've seen that. I don't think I've seen that one. Cardano is the only thing I want long 5 or 10x, but I want to wait after the election. Bloodsville, I think you're gonna wait long after the election. ADA likes to really stall before it goes on a run, and it will run at a random time that you are not expecting. So, good luck getting that timing right. That one's a really hard one to time. It's really hard, especially because when it runs, you're gonna expect it to go up like, oh, it's gonna go up 7%, awesome, and then all of a sudden it's like 35%. You're like, what happened? It's been suppressed. So it's just, that's a hard one to get. Simply Better, Sui is skyrocketing. Hold on. We have completely different outlooks on what skyrocketing is. Sui's going up, but it's hitting overhead resistance. Let's not get crazy here. Let's not get crazy. Still hitting resistance, pulling back. Let's not get out of hand here. I still want to short it. All right. Simply Better, welcome back in. How you doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. We got to check out AVAX. Actually, AVAX interests me a lot right now, so because I really want to start accumulating AVAX a lot more. But retook your supply line. Oh, little fake out breakdown. I like it. Me too. Sui is another one I want to short. Well, Sui has an argument to short. So, I mean, it had a rising, broadening wedge that it broke down out of. And right now it looks like it could go up and backtest it bearishly. We're going to have to just wait and see. Alright, so AVAX. The false bearish breakdown, that's just cruel. But the fact that it took you 4 straight days. Turbo's picking up. Sergio, you're right. Turbo is picking up. The whole market it's hot right now. Very hot. But yeah, anything below $28 for AVAX, fantastic time to accumulate. Absolutely fantastic time to accumulate. But right now, it does look like if we can break above this downtrending line right here, if we can get above that, and we can also stay above 28.14, we could see AVAX trading at $39 or even $47 in no time. I don't know why people are holding AVAX down right now, but AVAX is primed for a lot of upside. Let's go down to your 4 hour. 4 hour, tons of room to run to the upside. Stochastic looks terrible, but the relative strength looks really good. Let's check the 1 hour. Alright, 1 hour, leaving a lot left to be desired. Could be consolidating around here. That's fine. No big deal. Checking out the 15. Alright, your 15-minute hit overbought territory. Does look like it's pulling back. If we can maintain above this green line here, we could be ready to go. Very well could be. Can I take a look at Beam? Certainly can. I got a 5X long order at $25 and it came down within 15 cents of hitting it, and been trying to get into a long for a minute. Rich, if you're only going 5X, I mean, you can get into that now. Because, I mean, you can still get a stop loss below this. Yeah, you can still get a stop loss below this wick. If it's only 5X, get into it. I don't see why you wouldn't. I mean, put a stop loss maybe right here at $24.91. I don't think it's gonna come back down to $24.91, but yeah, 5X easy to work with. Very easy to work with a 5X. It's when you go with higher like leverage, it's really hard. So like for instance, the TRB trade I'm in, you can see the fluctuations. Earlier we were up 60 something percent. Now we're only up 45, but I'm on a 30X leverage long. So it's a lot harder to manage the stop loss on this. You really got to just watch the chart. 3X is your favorite? 3X. You out there watching Connor? Is that what you're doing? I know, just waiting to see if BTC pulls back a bit. Yeah, that would be a good opportunity at a buy-in. That's very true. Get a better price? That's true. That's true. All right, let's take a look at Beam. Let's jump into Beam. Is it AM? Yeah. Beam. Yes, we did. So Beam on the daily. Just chugging along. You got your breakout of this downtrend. You back tested it as support. Fantastic. You're also holding support above this 18097. TK, good evening. How are you doing? It is pulling back, actually. Yep. Hold the line. Seriously, hold the line. So, daily, you're looking very strong. Tons of room to run to the upside, both on your relative strength and on your stochastic. So, Beam does look very strong. Oh, man, doesn't that look good? So, you not only broke out, you back tested it non-stop. Now you have a confirmed break holding above support. This is nice. This is very nice to see. So, easily, you could see if you get above this 19516, you could be going up to 2318. And your real overhead resistance is going to be sitting up here at 30508. So there's that. Still alive, Howard Shelf. I'm doing fantastic. I mean, we got a brand new affiliated exchange for the channel and the community. We're with Buy DeFi as well as Weeks. I'm going to be opening up the copy trading this week, and trades are going well. I'm doing fantastic. Honestly, fantastic. Been a while. We didn't check at Andy and Brett. You're right. It has been a while. Badass. It is badass. Yes. Yes, it is. By the way, anybody looking to join in Buy DeFi, it would be amazing if you did. If you don't already have an account at Buy DeFi, there's no KYC. There's no VPN required. It's friendly to the US, as well as you have great deposit bonuses, and I believe you can get rebates when it comes to your trades as well. I'm gonna look further into all the different perks, but I'll also be able to give out some perks too, which that's kind of nice. So we got a lot that we can do with the Buy DeFi platform that I do plan on doing in the future. So that's gonna be really nice. Anyways, back to Beam. Beam is set up for a lot of upside. As long as we stay above this 16768, we could see a huge rally. I mean, huge rally. Because, as you can see, if we break above this, all that we've ever done, straight up, straight down, what would happen next? Probably straight up. So, Beam looks very strong. Very, very strong. Alright, so we talked about AVAX, talked about Beam. We're going to look at Brett and Andy. Let's check out Andy first. Andy ETH. Andy ETH. This really wasn't the one I was looking at. Okay. Andy ETH finding support. Oh my god. We can even say it's a back test. Let's go. Andy ETH is set up for, first off, getting to its measured move. 25567. Still waiting on that. But more than likely, you're going to go test overhead resistance. 30316. Andy looking good. Looks great. 4 hour, you got a little bit of room to run. Let's check the daily on this. Daily only has room to run, maintaining above your 50 simple moving average. Looks good. Looks really good. Your 1 hour has room to run. That's surprising. 15-minute, a lot less room to run and showing hidden bearish divergence. Maybe it consolidates for a... Check out Brett. Actually, I need to check out if we could trade Brett over here. Where's futures? Shit. Not trade. Derivatives. There we go. Can we trade Brett over here? We can't trade it there. Can we trade it over here? We can trade it on weeks. Very nice. Very nice. Love it. Love it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you need multiple exchanges. That right there. See that? Where I couldn't trade it in futures. I couldn't over the... You saw. You saw. All right. Checking out Brett on the daily. So Brett on the daily, looking pretty neat. You had this falling, broadening wedge. We then created a new supply line, tried to break down from it, didn't work. Now we have a lot of random things above it. Why? Oh, that's for all-time high. So a lot of random levels above it. I believe I marked these out because it's only on the daily. Yeah, it's only on the daily. But looks like we're about to try and test this pocket of liquidity here, sitting between 12 cents and 10 cents. If we can break above that, we very well could see the 15,646 or even 14,585. So Brett still looking good. Your daily fully reset all of its indicators. Nice to see that. Looking at your 4 hour stochastic looks ridiculous, but relative strength, you are in the bullish control zone and not overbought. So that's very good to see. Very, very good. Looking at the 1 hour, you are overbought on the 1 hour, so expect a bit of consolidation. So if you're not already in the trade, you could consider it when this thing resets. Could consider it. Ethan, what's up? How you doing? I don't know what WSG means. I don't know if that's a ticker or if you're saying hello. Your 15-minute trying to reset right now, so this thing could be done consolidating in the very near future. So I do look forward to seeing what Brett could pull off, but it does have this level of resistance here that you are currently broken out of. So we did have resistance that we have just broken. Let's see if it stays outside. XDC, we can check out some XDC. We can check it out. I'm going to take a quick peek in on my trade real fast because it is pulling back a little bit. Let's just see what it looks like on the 15-minute. I think we're sitting pretty still. I think we're sitting pretty. I wonder if we're going to get down to 60.56. I don't know. Has Maker found a bottom? Maker started rallying already. Shorts might play out. You're not wrong because it is going to go into the evening after a big pump. Shorts could start to play out. Also, whoever said Sui is skyrocketing, look at this pullback real quick, right at resistance. It's a real thing. I'm not saying it can't rally, not saying it couldn't get a little reboot and keep going, but we're finding resistance. All right, XDC. XDC. We're going to check it out on KuCoin. I charted this. All right. Didn't realize I did that. XDC is getting it is currently getting a back test of former resistance. You are breaking out of a very big deal level. Holy crap. We might want to jump into this trade. I'm going to keep diving into this because I do know I can trade this bad boy. Your upside potential on this thing is very high. Very high. 15% easy. That's very... Sorry, I think about how much leverage I'm going to use on this thing. It's crazy. But on your daily, you can see relative strength still sitting in the bearish control zone. Turbo back over 1 cent. Nice, Sergio. Nice. So daily stochastic pointing straight up. You do have the capability of running. 4 hour is currently resetting. Oh my gosh. We're not seeing this in the rest of the market. Hold on. Where you are currently backtesting a level what was formerly a resistance as support while resetting your 4 hour stochastic. This is different. This is good. I don't like all those wicks, but that looks really good. Let's check the 1 hour. You're up 121% on your SUI trade. Nice, crypto naughty. Nice. Me personally, I'm not trading it. Not doing it. It could still keep going. So hang in there. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Looks like storage is starting to move as well too. So we have some options for tonight. We really do. Your 1 hour fully reset, back testing your 50 simple moving average. This thing looks nuts for 15% upside. 15 minutes says let's rock and roll. Okay, I have nothing bad to say about XDC. Let's see if our affiliates can actually facilitate this trade. Cannot do it on weeks. However, I do believe we can do it. XDC. We can't do it there either. I don't know where we can do this trade. I saw it not too long ago. But, oh well, guess we can't do it. No, I really did see it. Hold on. Maybe it wasn't XDC. Excuse me? Oh, buy DeFi. I'm so mad I didn't make this thing sooner. Nero ETH? We could have leveraged this thing. What leverage could I have used? What the heck? 75x? Oh my god. Why? Son of a bitch. Oh man, that sucks. Oh my god. All right. Well, we know this for the future. If anybody wants to know exactly why I'm freaking out about that, it's because remember the other day when I pointed out Nero looked like it could go up? It did. It did. It really did. And when it went up, it went buck wild. Like, damn. Just checking the daily on this thing. In a single day, it went 64%. This is why I'm angry. I didn't know I could leverage that thing. Son of a... And it's not done. It's not done. That's the word. It's not done. It is a confirmed breakout. It is tried to get a back test. And the buyers are like, nah, brother. We ain't back testing shit. It's trying to go up again. Your target's 15 cents. Damn it! Oh, that sucks. It reset the 4 hour. This is what my FOMO is. Right here. This is where I have bad FOMO. Because all I can think about is while I'm sleeping, we could make 64%. At least your 1 hour doesn't look nearly as good. Thankfully. But you're in neutral territory. You're about to flip bullish on the MACD. Even your 15 wants to give it to you. Are we serious? I probably wouldn't have gone 75x, but I'm just saying the opportunity was there. What the fuck? I mean, you get in right here. You're just setting higher lows. You're just setting higher lows, man. Rage. That's what I have at this moment in time. Rage. Let me get back to other things you guys wanted me to check out. Son of a. There were no other requests. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Can we check USDT 4 hour and down? To see if its momentum has a pivot. What? You want me to check out what? USDT compared to what? Or dominance? Is that what you want? Dominance. Got it. Yeah, it pivoted a little bit, but we going down. We going down. Down, baby. We're going way down. Oh my. We're down trending. We're just down bad. And the daily says we're going to keep going down. This is why alt season's starting. Oh, I get it. I get it. That's great. Let me hit the 10th like. Keep hitting the likes. Keep hitting the likes. Touch all the likes. Appreciate you for getting those likes. There you go. Looking good. Looking good. Ah, so rage-inducing for Nero. Son of a... So angry. Gosh. All right. So we're gonna keep looking at Sui here because Sui is knowing what resistance feels like right now. We're gonna look at it on the 1 hour because your 1 hour is basically showing a very good representation of like we're going, baby. We're overbought. We need some water. So I personally would be looking for a back test sitting down at 179.38. See if it holds. If it busts through, I mean, great. Then you want to hold above 191.5. I just have very little faith in this rally for Sui. In particular, Sui. Just, it's this rising, broadening wedge. You get up here, get that nice bearish back test. Maybe you wick up here. Get a nice big old wick. Make it to where everyone who thought they could short it, they're like, dang, let's go long instead. And then long squeeze. Like, just fall right on over. Like, oh no. Kill me slowly. Hey, what's up? Yo, what's up? What's up? Yeah, so we'll see how Sui performs. I won't be surprised if it's down. Oh, dang, Turbo's still running. That's crazy. There's a website where you can follow the money going to the chains. Oh, yeah. I remember seeing that in the past. I forgot what that site was called. You just removed all of your coins from exchanges before November last night? Okay. Why? There's a lot of money flowing to Sui. A lot? That's cool. Still doesn't make me more bullish on it. Look at Turbo go. Look at Turbo go. As we mentioned a few nights ago, 40% was the target, but, you know, I'm starting to think it's going to go way higher. Way higher. Took Turbo a bit of time to be able to get this breakout, though. Holy crap. C looks better than Sui. Fair. That is a fair assessment. So fair. But, reason why it looks better. The reason it looks better is because this is not a bearish pattern that you fell out of. So let's clean this chart up just a little bit. Let's clean it up. Let's even get rid of this little nonsense. Once you break out of this downtrend here, C, you could be trading anywhere between 49 and 59 cents very easily. because exchanges like to freeze and have shutdown times during the parabolic bull run, and I don't want my coins locked on exchange, so I'm moving them to wallets. Smart move. Smart move. See you. Yeah. Yeah. Can we look at Moonwell? Sure. I need near protocol to 15x. Oh my god, that's a big need. Let's look at Moonwell. It's literally called Well. That's why you said that. Moonwell. It didn't even pull back. Like, I don't know what you want from me. I was saying it would be nice if it came down here to be able to get in. Other than that, see ya. Let's see what happens. I don't really know what you want me to talk about. It is a bit late. It is a bit late. Crypto Ace 33, what is up? I don't think I've seen your name in here. Welcome in. Welcome in. Just realized. Yeah, this is a... Alright, cool. Glad we looked at that. Going back to C, where we can make some money. Was this trying to be like a cup and handle? You want to check out Cardano? I thought you just wanted to talk about Cardano. Thanks, glad to be here. That website, you can see money flow into other cryptos. Is it CoinGlass? I don't know. Last time I took some profits, I took too much and it took off to 10 cents. Adam, it's okay if you take profits. It's okay. It'll come back down. It's okay. Cardano really is a stablecoin. I'll talk about Cardano too. Yeah, I want to see more and more about Cardano. Why? Okay, it's weird whenever people get interested in Cardano because I always wonder, what do you guys see in Cardano? It happens every bull run. People start getting interested in Cardano, and then next thing I know, it's up like crazy. And I'm just like, who saw that coming? I get so confused. ADA gonna shut a lot of people up. Eventually, it's just, I mean, yeah, you retook your supply line, you're back in your consolidation level, you're... Next target, 45 cents. Eventually. Yeah, Cardano's one of those weird ones. I don't get it. You use it all the time? Really? You use it all the time? Don't hate, baby. DCA. That's the thing. ADA. You don't have to DCA. That's the part that bothers me. You really don't have to DCA because ADA is the perfect token for I bought it, I staked it, I forgot all about it. It's auto DCA. That's all it is. It's auto DCA. So then all of a sudden you like check in on it 5 years down the line. You're like, I don't recall having this many tokens. Well, it's because you staked it. You like the updates that they're making? Okay. All right. I can get behind that. Your 4-hour time frame, you are not overbought. You are looking beautiful. It just... Let's talk more when we hit that 36.34. Break above it, hold it as support. 45.36. Next target. See what happens after that. I guess Bitcoin Cash is starting to run too. Wow. What are you going to do? High cap stablecoin. You can make 10x off anything in the market. That's true. That's true. They're actually making it to where they will be the layer 1 bridge between definitely. What's definitely? And BTC. But that's nice that it's opening itself up to the Bitcoin market, but I just want to know, are people going to use it? That would be nice. I probably invested into Sol and Pulse Chain. Oh, let's calm down here. I invested in shit coins and 100x. He does actually invest a lot into shit coins. That's true. It's like buying BTC miner. Like instead of putting 5k into a miner, I can get interesting thoughts. Interesting thoughts. ETH's so bad. Out of the big caps, ETH has the biggest runway to be able to run up right now. I'm in between layer 1s and BTC. So you can use BTC DeFi through. Oh, that's what they're doing. Well, that's cool. I hope their bridge doesn't get hacked. Hopefully, they're not letting any of the North Koreans work on their chain. I think that's what happened with One Harmony. I think it was One Harmony. ETH update will help. I don't know what their update is. I don't keep up with the Ethereum news because they come out with news like every century. So I just don't care. Let's see if the price moves. Solana, on the other hand, Solana, now that they fixed their whole blackout thing, they're doing really good. MicroStrategy is up to 269. Overnight markets. The greed is thick. No. Crypto Naughty, you haven't seen greedy yet. Also, Crypto Naughty, if you want another exchange that could facilitate a lot more coins for futures trading, go ahead and check out this link. Buy DeFi. You do not need a VPN. You do not need any KYC. Great place to be. Anyways. Cheaper fees trying to keep up with Sol. Oh, that's their goal. Okay, that's good. MicroStrategy is up because of Bitcoin holdings. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Nero ETH. Okay, so I talked about it like literally on stream. I made the point. Could go up 64%. Already started moving. Crazy. Crazy! Also, Crypto Naughty, you would be my very first person to join after my affiliation today of Buy DeFi. So if you do join, thank you so much, being number one, the OG. Unless somebody wants to try and steal his title. And if you do, I'm forever grateful. Peeking on my TR Bizzle. TRB. ETH's not going to be a top coin in the next 10 years. The fee transaction times are ridiculous, especially during the bull run market. Kill me slowly. I have this insane thought. I have this really insane thought because of what they did in the past. I feel like the Ethereum we know right now will be Ethereum Classic 2. And they'll just create a new one. Because that's essentially what they did. They had Ethereum, which is now Ethereum Classic. They branched it off and said, no, this is now Ethereum because we did some upgrades and it's better. And I think they're going to do that again. When they do that again, I want to be a part of that. I really do. Those are just my random thoughts about it. Alright. It's like herding cats out here. Let's find some things that haven't broken out yet. Let's see what we can make some money off of. Let's look at things kind of like Ton Token. So Ton Token I was looking at earlier today. We have this gorgeous little downtrend. However, we found a lot of support at this 496 level. Now it's at a position that you could openly say, hey, I can go long at these levels. Going out to the daily says it best because you're literally on the edge of a cliff. You tried to fall off once, you tried to fall off twice. You got the higher low. This is a really big critical support area. The fact of the matter is, this bad boy could rally hard. So Ton Token, now that it's done this weird little thing, if we can break not only this short-term downtrend but this longer-term downtrend, hold above 542.9, which I do think is the next target. And currently speaking, that is about a 8% rise. With the right leverage, that's a really good rise. But we could very well see a breakout, maybe even a back test. We'll see. But could be getting all the way up to 34 to 38% upside on Ton Token. So Ton Token, definitely on my radar, looking pretty darn good, in my opinion, and it has not broken out yet. 4 hour, lot left to be desired, but that's fine. A lot of things look like that. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, you still have room to run. You are not overbought. You have a high stochastic, so maybe you consolidate a bit more. But I do believe this breakout could be coming in the coming hours and or day. No, I don't like Sol at all. Why would anyone not like Sol? It's because they broke down a lot? Is that why? And I got nervous and closed your Sol 25x? Well, that's just because you got a bad entry on that Sol. Oof. You got way too nervous. We're going up. Too bad. That's too bad. Sorry you got nervous on that, but hey, this is why we look for other opportunities, like storage. Storage is the opportunity. It's opportunity. I even am seeing the breakout and a back test. Holy shit. All right. So we had this downtrend here. We have a support supply line working in our favor. I have this alert right here. It didn't trigger it yet, but we broke out. We're back testing. Back tests are great. They're awesome. Storage, we could very well see a nice rally anywhere between 64.72 and we also could see 91.77. Clear manipulation to make Sol go up. Kill me slowly. All the market caps are small. There's clear manipulation in the entirety of the crypto space. Clear manipulation of the entire space. Wall Street can manipulate Bitcoin price at a whim. It doesn't affect them. They could literally manipulate the whole thing. Like, just, it's not hard. The fact that they manipulate gold, that's a what, $13 trillion asset? They can manipulate all of crypto. It's not hard. Rich. It's made me a lot of money. That's all that matters. Exactly. All that matters. They were saying that at $8. Sol goes up because of memes. Yeah, it does go up because of memes. I know that, but you can look at Sol wallets and see how controlled they are, and you see shady things happen. And the blockchain, specifically on Sol. Okay. Just remember, kill me slowly. Don't have to understand it, don't have to like it. You can always make money from it. I saw on GitHub people asking for coders to make bots to create wallets and make fake transactions. That happens literally for the smallest of meme coins. It's ridiculous. My personal trading style is long term, and it has to have real world use cases. I don't just focus on number go up. That's good. That's good. It's good for the long term holds. Solid. Thanks to Sol's low transaction fee. Sol hits 5 to 700 this run, probably more. I still think Solana's going to get up into the like 2 to 3,000 range. I think it's going to do it. I think it's going to do it. By the way, not saying y'all's trading style are wrong. Oh, I didn't read it as you saying it was wrong. I just said buying and holding smart. It's smart. I really hope everyone makes some money in this market. Nah, man. So what I'm hoping here is we're in the financial world. no one should have soft feelings here. We shouldn't need a safe space. We should be able to talk bluntly because literally no one should be offended if you're making money. And if you're not making money, well then if you're offended because you're not making money, change up your method. It's fine. So yeah, that's why I kind of like the financial space a lot. It's just it's a wonderful place to be. I hold a tiny bit of meme coin, so I guess I'm lying a little bit. Hey, it's all good, bro. We all like to gamble. However, I don't like to play the lottery. I don't like doing that. Rich, so no meme coins? Yeah, that's what he said. Following ETH pattern in last bull runs. Okay. I do have some meme coins just to support them, like Snake and Crow. That's all I have. Never even heard of that. Free market capitalism. For sure, everyone has their investment thesis. Same. I own some Snack. Chat Soul looking hot right now. Peeps who want to get in at the bottom. Soul Chat. I think I saw that before when it was like launching. I think I saw that before. See, it's funny. When it comes to like all these new tokens, I do such a bad job of keeping up. If I'm not like over here on CoinGecko nonstop, seeing what's getting listed, I have no clue what's out there. Just no idea. No idea at all. 90% retracement. That's solid. You could get a comment reading bot. You're getting too popular. Oh boy. What do we call you, Porky? Yeah, you just call me Porky. It's all good. My real name's Audric. I mean, I just don't expect anybody to actually say it. Buy time. Yeah, 90% retracements are buy time. As long as the project's still working. That's kind of the only problem with meme coins. I always like to check in to make sure the developers are still there. Like, hey, guys, you working? You working? Like, what are we doing? Audrey? No. Audric is my name. Audric. That's my name. Audric. Oh, you were close, Eric. No K. You were close. Yeah. So, Killing Me Slowly, you said it properly. No, it's not Broderick. Aldrich. Yeah, that's close. Aldrich. Yeah, that's close. The Odrick, that's how I write it phonetically. So everybody, they're like, oh, Audric. Got it. You have any coin preference that I hodl? Bitcoin, BNB token. So also, I caught fire for this one day because they were like, "Why would you hold BNB?" I look at BNB token as a complete security. The only reason it can keep going up the way it does is because the exchange does so damn well, and they keep buying and burning their tokens. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna buy that. Yeah. And somebody was like, "You think it's a security?" I was like, "I don't understand why you are against securities. That just shows number will go up. Who cares?" Do I hold Litecoin? No, I don't hold Litecoin. Don't hold Litecoin. You out the bro in what the wild. Got wild. I did sold BNB. Gromp 20 at 600. Nice. Selling at 600 is pretty solid. I think it's about to go up to 841 though. I think I've come on here for the last week and talked about 841. But no, I mainly hold Binance token for two reasons. Number one, I think it's a security. I think it's always going to go up as long as the exchange is doing well. Number two, I made a lot of money in the last bull run trading meme coins on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to do that shit again. Want to donate me some crypto? I'll link my Addy. Oh, goodness. That's what I'm gonna figure out after this stream is over. I'm gonna figure out the donations for that. Simmons cat on the BNB chain looks promising and has a massive following on YouTube. Who would have thought? That's crazy. They're already doing it. BNB burns tokens also. They do burn tokens. Yep. I'm copying that shit. Copying what? I can't enter Binance. Bloodsville, you don't need to enter Binance to buy the Binance token. You don't need to be on Binance to trade their meme tokens. You need a Trust wallet, and you need to use Pancake Swap. Send some Binance token over there, convert it into Binance Smart Chain token, their actual DeFi token. Then on Pancake Swap, you can interact with all their meme coins. If you need an exchange to buy some BNB, you can use either one of the affiliated exchanges, Weeks or Buy DeFi. I would prefer if you guys joined Buy DeFi and then you joined Weeks. Just do them both real quick. Links are right there. But yeah, you can buy both tokens, send them over to your Trust wallet, and enjoy the memes, baby. Someone donated me $60 in SHIB one time. I sold that immediately. Oh, heartbreaking. Your meme trades. Wait, what? Oh, copying my meme trades? Nice. Don't worry, when I start entering in the memes, everyone will know. Because I'm for profit. Everyone will know what meme coins I'm in. I highly recommend you don't buy them, but then again, you know, if I'm promoting it, you should just do it. Just do it. You all should know how to read a chart by now. You all should know how to read that chart. So I'll tell you, I don't need to believe in something to promote it. Okay. Everyone, let's sign up. Buy DeFi. Yes, everyone sign up over there. Do it. Do it. You just did? Awesome. No, actually, Buy DeFi. I like, no joke. They have a shit ton of tokens that you can trade. This is absolutely crazy. Like, that is crazy. All these bad boys. I also can trade my 10,000 ladies again. Oh, I was really excited when I saw this. I like trading 10,000 ladies. I really do. Actually, let's look at their chart. I haven't looked at their chart in forever. I haven't looked at this chart in so long. I'm excited. I'm excited. I looked at it on KuCoin. Maybe that. There we go. What? Where did I look at this chart before? Did I just delete all my work because I was so sad? CoinX, MEXC, maybe? No, wasn't there. Did I type it in as 10,000 ladies? I probably did. I don't care. We're gonna chart this out. We're probably gonna trade this. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my. How pretty does that look? Oh my Lanta. Well, someone gave me 10 cents of a game token on ETH and it went to $50 to sell it. I had to pay 200 in ETH fee. Yeah, the ETH fees are crazy. Do you have a Paula ID? No, I do not. What's a Paula ID? What is that? Core looks like it could run. We'll check out Core next. Okay, so we broke out of its long-term downtrend here. Did we? We backtested it? Oh, shit. Paulo ID lets you be able to use all the exchanges. The fuck? Really? I need to check that out. It's like ID that gets you through KYC from exchanges. That's crazy. I didn't know about this. You guys are actually teaching me something very new right now. I've never heard about this. Bro. Ladies. I try not to use your ID. I try not to also. For $400, be a resident of. Really? You could be a resident for $400? That's wild. Nice. Where can I get one? I'm guessing the internet. Yes, you'd be a legal citizen of. That's crazy. No, you're a digital resident. That's cool. I love it. It's actually really cool. All right, so ladies is a meme coin. Milady meme coin here. You can see what it did last time it was around this price range. Now we hit it once, we hit it twice. Baby, hit me one more time. Anyways, we could see a massive upside out of ladies. I am probably going to start buying this thing because this is crazy. And then price target, if we break first level of resistance, we could see price trading all the way up here at this 2118. Not too shabby. Those are our price targets. We've only been up here once. Okay, when I go through the price targets here, you guys are going to look at me like I'm insane. I'm here for it. So, very first one, if you get a breakout, you're looking at 62% upside. Second one you're looking at is the possibility of 161% upside. And the final one we're looking at is 284%. And let's just see what kind of leverage they let us use on this. Up to 20x leverage. That is wild. Max position, though, is 50,000. Wait, what? Max position at current leverage is 50K. So I'm wondering if they're going to hold me to only being able to use, what is that, $2,000? $2,500? 2,500? I don't know, something like that. I wonder if they're going to make me just stick to that. That's another thing. When this bull run gets going, that's where you guys might start seeing me use like real money when I'm in these trades. And yeah. I might end up disclosing those to you all instead of just doing it during the day. Hopefully I don't have to renounce US. Bloodsville. Renouncing the US if we get the wrong president might not be the worst thing. I'm just kidding. You can have dual citizenship in most countries alongside the US. It's okay. It's okay to have dual citizenship. True that. Yeah. This election's looking I'm so excited. It's going to be in 7 days. Like, then it'll be over. We'll know what's going on. It's going to be so refreshing. Oh, sweet. Well, looks like I got paid. You don't? Nice. Nice! Alrighty. 40% unrealized. Right? Fuck. The ETH founder is actually like backing it or like started it. What the? Are you talking about the unrealized capital gains tax? Vitalik? Is that what you mean? What's my take on the USDT thing? We safe holding. I think we are safe holding it for a significant period of time. US tried to go after them, I think, a total of 7 different times. They failed miserably because they found out USDT was backed stronger than our banks. they not only were holding US dollars, they were also holding US bonds, and they were holding things like gold. It was absolutely insane when they tried to audit USDT because it just showed the ineptitude of our banking system because a stablecoin was doing it better. Also, if USDT happens to go down, they are integrated into so much of the crypto space. You might as well just get out of crypto at that point because we then have no idea where markets would go. They do hold BTC also, you're right, and they're buying it with their fees. It's absolutely nuts. Free market capitalism. Citizenship can be obtained through birth abroad to that parents and naturalization. Cool. You don't even have to join the military. That's crazy. Oh, fun fact, if you also wanted citizenship in any country, join their military for 1 year. You automatically get citizenship. Fun fact. Fun fact of the night. Alright, so I do think tonight, if you're not in any trades yet, you might consider jumping into storage. Outside of storage, I'm not seeing very many that are just like, it's a fresh breakout, jump in there. So, would be a little hard to talk about which ones to jump into right away. Unify has just been getting demolished. I don't know who they did dirty, but man, oh man, are they mad at them. Mad at them. Oh, I wanted to check out Casper. That's right. Casper finally getting some bids. Finally. Unbelievable how long this took to finally start getting bids. We're going to see if they can sustain because that 1 hour says we're going to keep going down, buddy. We'll see. Oh, that's right. We got to check out Core. That's right. Thank you for the reminder, Thirsty. I completely forgot. So, Ethan wants to check out Caspa. Caspa looks fine. Looks fine. It's not doing much. We'll check out Caspa next. Feta. Feta? Feta what? Feed us some bread? Feed us some chicken? What are we feeding her? Is that a token? Feed her! Sorry. I don't know why. That just seemed really funny to me. Feed her! From there, right here, yeah, right there. All right, so looking at Core looks very interesting. It looks like you're in accumulation range on the weekly. You have very low stochastics on the weekly, which is surprising. You have very low stochastics on the daily, low relative strength. This thing does look primed and ready for upside. You can see you do have hidden bullish divergence. Quadruple hidden bullish divergence. Wow, that's a lot of hidden bullish divergence. That's a little obnoxious. Anyways, you have this downtrending level of resistance here. But yeah, you're absolutely right. Core does look like it's ready to rock and roll to the upside. Looking ready to go. You still have some work to do, but as long as you can break above this 96.88 and stay above it, you could be good. That hidden bullish divergence makes me happy. I'm waiting for a higher low. Once you get that higher low, then we can start talking about much more upside potential. But in the meantime, you could be seeing something around a 33 to a 130% rise. Core looking solid, but that quadruple hidden bullish divergence on the daily makes me think the dumping is over. Friendly wager on when BTC breaks all-time high? Nope, I don't make bets like that. BTC up almost 11%. That's crazy. It's a lot. Bitcoin should probably break all-time highs sometime next week, maybe. During Moonvember would make a lot of sense. We have to wait and see. We have an election coming up. We're going to find the results literally next week. If Trump wins, we are expecting markets to go up, would be a perfect time for a pullback. So I can't make any guesses on that. That's a major catalyst that people are probably going to be trying to price in, and that might be why Bitcoin's going up now. So we kind of have to wait and see. Think it happens this week? Could happen. Bitcoin crash? Yeah, like after the election, Bitcoin could definitely crash. Would not be out of the cards, but after that crash, we would then see probably a lot of upside. I didn't even realize this. Bitcoin's trading at $71,000 right now and trying to move up. Gonna get wrecked both sides. Of course it's gonna get wrecked. Yeah. Tomorrow 85, 75? Yeah, maybe. Cash? What? Cash. Oops. Anyways, core sitting here looking pretty darn good. I would expect it to keep going up, especially if Bitcoin keeps going crazy like this. $71,059. Bitcoin is rallying hard. Your 1 hour on core, it is getting into overbought territory, but as I said, I don't think we got to worry about being overbought at this very moment in time. We'll see what happens, what the US markets want to do with it tomorrow. But I think if we are pricing in a Trump victory, we could see this rally sustain all the way to the end of the month. I did mention last week that with all that dumping last week, we could see rallying straight into November because we have no crazy amounts of futures to worry about. So the rally could actually sustain till the last Friday of November. But we will see if that happens. Let's check out FIDA. FIDA. I don't know what FIDA is. I've never been here before. I need an adult. You know, it was a weird thought that I had not too long ago. I told my wife about it. I was like, you know, if kids are ever running around asking for an adult and they look at us, they're talking about us. Like, I understand we're raising some children and stuff, but FIDA? I like FIDA. FIDA. FIDA? What? I don't think it's FIDA. FIDA sounds great. Asia is at bat. Asia is going through some hard times. Damn, I knew I should have longer Bitcoin. STX? We will check out STX. I'm guessing XTX is going insane as Bitcoin goes up. STX already, what was the other one? Blah, blah, blah. I think it's up here. Hold on. Rats, Sats. I'm sure they're all just getting all the benefits here. Anyways, got a chart. Frida. Yep, see there? It's not even FIDA anymore. Now it's Frida. Next thing you know, it's going to be John. Be careful. Rune. Rune looks really strong. Thirsty. Rune looks really strong. I think I brought that up the other day, and it has been rallying. It looks really good. What the fuck? Oh my god. So you're just hoping it breaks out of this consolidation range, because if you do, like, what? Oh my god. You tried over here. On the weekly, you look pretty strong for this one. Your daily's looking all right, but you still are below all of your moving averages. That part kind of is terrible. However, you are holding support at 23.3. You see me? I see it. I seen it. So this looks interesting. You did have a downtrend. You broke it. You're out of there. You are out of there. You've been out of there for a minute. And you're just holding support. I don't know when you're going to actually get out of there. Is BTC forming sloppy bear div on the 1 hour? It's not sloppy. It's very clean, clear, and precise. Hidden bearish divergence has been forming on Bitcoin since yesterday. It's also forming on Solana. So be careful with your trades. Because when it turns around, it could be pretty rough. So if I were trading this particular token, I would just be looking for the 38% upside. Things are pointing up as if you are going to go up. It just looks like nobody knows about this token. So wait and see. But you might be waiting for a while. Let's drop on down to STX. STX, yeah, it's going nuts. We can't really strategize an entry. It's already up 10%. What do we do here? Your target's 207. Next target's 240. You'd like a retest for BTC? Rich, when we get into really bullish environments, it's kind of like the market forgets about retests for a while, and maybe we get a retest like 2 weeks later. It gets kind of wild. It really does. For all the Sui lovers out there, this is why I still would go short. Lots of resistance. Sorry. But yeah, STX, your entry was down here. Second entry was this pullback here. You're just taking off with Bitcoin pushing up. 4 hour not overbought yet, so I'm expecting it to test $2.07. Up 10K in bull some days, down 2 and continue. Yeah, that's true. I mean, you just ride the roller coaster. You don't even care because you know brighter days are coming. So STX on the daily, you're not only about to get a golden cross, but you're breaking above your 200 simple moving average. These are very tight moving averages. STX very well could trade all the way up to $3.06. Just because you have very tight moving averages, this thing could fly. So watch out for STX. STX looking extremely strong. Extremely strong. Checking out Rune after this. Rune. So Rune, we're hitting the measured move of 21% upside. Just took us 3 days to get there. Now what do we have to look forward to? The possibility of a backtest at 577 is there. A backtest would be the place you'd be looking for a possible long because we still have the idea of a bull flag here where measured move is up to $7.03. You're more than likely going to test $7.22. However, I would be looking for a backtest because you just broke through some resistance and you're overbought on the 4 hour. A backtest makes sense. It just makes sense because you did not backtest your structure down here. You just broke out, went sideways, and ran. So backtesting here would make sense. Oh, still up 50%. Not bad. Oh. Bloodsville, good night. Have a great rest. We will catch you in the next one. Remember, we go live daily, so hopefully I see you tomorrow. Hopefully. You guys are the backbone of this stream. You're keeping me alive. Played the new BO6? Nope. Did not even buy it. I don't normally play the campaign or multiplayer, so I don't even worry about buying it. I just wait till it enters Warzone. If I'm being completely honest. I don't pay attention to it. I'm hearing a lot of people are loving BO6 though. I'm hearing a lot of people loving it. Multi is cracked? Yep. Hearing a lot of people loving it. Do I have an Xbox? Yeah, I do. I just don't play games on it. I actually use this PC to play games. Both and PC, yeah. It's on Game Pass. Okay. I'm still not gonna play it. I don't like multiplayer. I don't like the time to kill. I don't like how repetitive it feels. I just don't like that. As for the campaign, yeah, I don't really care to do that either. Still waiting on this thing to continue up. Oof. Oof. I want to see TRB do some crazy stuff like it did in the past. It's the only reason why I went long on this thing. Only reason. It looked so gosh darn cute. Alright, everybody. Well, it seems like I have looked through all the different tokens we are looking for. I'm going to head on off Myro. We'll check out Myro real quick. Real quick, NW2. What is this? Don't know what that is. Got a new follower on Twitter. I don't even post on Twitter, if I'm being honest. MW2 days were the best. Modern Warfare 2. I don't remember if I played the campaign in that one. I forgot which ones I played the campaigns in, but it wasn't many. You're right. Myro looking good. You're still on the move. I charted this thing out forever ago. Holy crap. Holy crap. You can see from the last Falling Wedge what you did. You're waiting to do that again. PvP, you mean? Okay, I got you. Let's chart this out. It had a good campaign. I think I might have actually played that one then. Because I remember whatever campaign I did play, I actually enjoyed it. It was the one where you started out as like the kid who had to fight the random guy by the truck. And then you had that really bad pistol and it was really hard to shoot it. So I remember that. And then all of a sudden we had like the crazy gas pop in and whatnot. So what is this and why is it running? What do you mean? This is Myro. You told me to look at Myro. You missed the Halo 2 days? Halo 2 was great. Halo 2 actually was great. That was back when gaming was pure. Oh, Myro's actually set and ready to go for a lot more upside. You're breaking out right now. Right this moment, you are breaking out on the daily time frame, probably the 4 hour, and all the other time frames. Myro is breaking out. This is a bull flag on a breakout situation. So we could be seeing Myro trying to get all the way up to 18,156. This is very possible. You are neutral territory on your relative strength. You also have low stochastics on the daily. And based off your selling pressure, you have much more selling pressure, much higher price, hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. This is very good to see. 4 hour not overbought. You do have a high stochastic, but this thing actually could run tonight? Oh shit, you're already up 8%, but it looks like it doesn't care. Could see another 35 to 43% upside, and if it does decide to make the entirety of the move, 56% upside. This is a new trade. It a meme? I don't think Myro is a meme. Halo is my favorite game series for PvP and probably campaign. I like it best for campaign. The PvP I thought was a little off. I didn't really like the PvP in Halo. Wasn't a big fan of it, but when it came to the rest of the stuff, oh yeah, it was great. That campaign, phenomenal. Chili, Myro is the Solana founder's dog. Oh, that's what it is? Go figure. Well, Myro's ready to run, so. Myro, looking good. You just replayed every Halo in order last year on Legendary? Nice! That must have been a task and a half. Holy crap. Still not overbought on the 1 hour, but you are getting there. Looking at your 15-minute, it reset the stochastic, but you are in overbought territory, so this thing might just start grinding up before you see a weird pop to the upside. Could see that. We're going to have to wait and see. But Myro looks really good for upside. If you're trying to get into a fresh trade on Myro, might be a good idea to have a stop loss below these candle lows right here at 10,936. Might be a good idea. Because if you do happen to pull back down, it's going to be right where you're looking to find some support. Do 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 do. Can we trade that on buy DeFi? Let's find out, actually. Oh, we can't. No, we cannot. Let's see if we got it on Wix. We can on Wix. Wix has it. Wix has it. You can do it on Wix, baby. So make your account over on Wix and go enjoy the trade. Go do that. So Weeks, Wix, whatever they want to call themselves, they do have the trading pair. Once again, great idea to have multiple exchanges. So if you need the buy DeFi link, here it is right there. You can also find it in Discord. But if you what's the affiliate for Weeks? Let me grab it. Hold on. It's been popping up this whole stream right here. There's the Weeks one. There's the Weeks one. Oh, it's all over your screen now. That's all Weeks. All that. So Myro is looking like it's trying to push up right this second. You're once again looking for more than likely this 43% to play out. I love this time of year. I love it. The gains start flowing. All right, everybody. I'm going to call it a night. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Hopefully you're making a ton of money. If you're not a part of the Discord yet, I don't know what you're doing. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Also, over here on YouTube, if you have not done so yet, please subscribe. You're already here. Just hit that sub button. Maybe even throw in a like. I don't know. Do whatever makes you feel good. But, yeah, other than that, I'm going to catch you guys later. I'm going to see if I can find any more really good trade setups. Kind of like this Myro trade setup. Great call on this one. But, yeah, I'll see if I can make any more videos. I think Ton Token might be a good opportunity. So we'll see what videos I decide to make in the coming days. But I will catch you guys later. Take it easy. Weeks will not let me sign up. Keep sending an invalid code to your email. That's so weird. Did you try multiple emails, Rich? Did you try Gmail? I didn't have any of those issues, so I actually don't know what's wrong. And the biggest problem is I reached out to our guy, and Eric, you too. Really? I reached out to our guy, and he just hasn't gotten back to me yet. So, annoying. It is annoying that you all are having the same issue. That's kind of making me angry. All right, once I can get an answer back from that guy, I will tell everyone in Discord because that is frustrating. That's a bottleneck. That's something we don't want. But I will catch you all later. Take it easy, everybody. Much love. Till next time, keep the stop losses tight. Good luck on TRB trade. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hopefully it goes well. It's starting to look like I might want to close it out before I go to bed, honestly. I might want to close it out. If we start pulling back too hard, I might just jump out of there. All right. I'll catch y'all in a bit. Deuces, y'all. Deuces.